Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue. Good morning everybody, welcome to the class. In today's class, we are going to start with lesson 1, La lettre de Valérie. Page numéro 13, page number 13 of your textbook. Okay? Since the text chapter heading is La lettre de Valérie. So in the text is in the form of letter. And who is writing the letter? Valérie to Isabelle. Okay? As we have discussed earlier also, this is the format of the letter. Place from where you are writing, date, to whom you are writing, and the the sender's name, the person who is writing the letter, who's that person's name. So this is basically the format of the letter. Here, Paris, the letter is written from Paris. So Paris is written, comma, le, you have to write the le. Then date, over here it is written 24 Novembre 2015. In today's context, it will be today it's 2nd May. So how will you write? Le 2 mai, M-A-I, 2020. Okay. Chère Isabelle, dear Isabelle. Since it's feminine, so we write in feminine form. Tout va bien ici. Je m'amuse beaucoup. Paris est magnifique. Je vois beaucoup de beaux monuments comme la Tour Eiffel, le Sacré-Cœur, le Musée d'Orsay. Everything is fine. Over here, I am enjoying a lot. Paris is magnificent. I see a lot of beautiful monuments like the Eiffel Tower, Sacré-Cœur, and Musée d'Orsay. Sais-tu que Paris est divisé en deux parties par le fleuve Seine? Do you know Paris is divided into two parts by the river Seine? Il y a d'autres fleuves en France comme la Loire, la Garonne et la Rhône. There are other rivers in France like Loire, Garonne and Rhône. Les chaînes de montagnes en France sont les Alpes, les Pyrénées, le Jura, les Vosges et le Massif central. The mountain chains in France are Alps, Pyrenees, Jura, Vosges and the Massif central. Le Mont Blanc est le plus haut sommet de la France. It is the Mont Blanc is the highest peak in France. La Marseillaise, l'hymne national est un chant révolutionnaire écrit par Monsieur Rouget de Lille en 1792. The Marseillaise, it's a national anthem which is a revolutionary chant written by Monsieur Rouget de Lille in 1792. Like we have national anthem, the French national anthem is called La Marseillaise. En fait, beaucoup de fêtes ici, comme Noël, Pâques, Mardi Gras. One celebrates a lot of festivals like Noël, Christmas, Pâques, and Mardi Gras is it held in month of March, February and March. Printemps, it's a festival of spring. La fête nationale de la France est le 14 juillet. As you know, the national festival of France is in 14 July. Cette date commémore la prise de la Bastille par les Français en 1789. This date commemorates the taken over of Bastille Palace, the Bastille by the French people in 1789. Okay, this date commemorates that incident in the history of France. Okay, la France est connue pour sa grande variété de fromages comme le camembert, le brie, le gruyère et le roquefort. The France is known for grand variety of cheese like the camembert, le brie, the gruyère and the roquefort. Okay. Je vais terminer ma lettre maintenant. I'm going to terminate my letter now. Donne mes salutations à tes parents. Tu me manques. Je t'attends ta réponse. Give my greetings to your parents. Tu me manques means I miss you. It's tu here and me here, but we say it's I miss you. Je t'attends ta réponse. I'm waiting for your response. Okay, and then this is the ending. Okay, you can write anything. Goodbye, amical mot. Okay, like this you can write anything, and then the last, the sender's name. I hope it's clear to you now. This letter basically discuss about the major things about France that we discussed earlier also. Monuments, fleuve, montagne, festivals, fromage, cheese, etc. Okay, now let's do the question answers based on this text. Répondez aux questions suivantes. Reply the following questions. A. Nommez quelques monuments français. Name some French monuments. Le Sacré-Cœur, la Tour Eiffel, le Musée d'Orsay, la Notre-Dame, le Musée de Louvre. You can write anything. Quelle est la capitale de la France? Which is the capital of France? Paris est la capitale de la France. Quel est le plus haut sommet de la France? Which is the highest peak of the France? Le Mont Blanc est le plus haut sommet de la France. Okay? Quel est l'hymne national de la France? Qui a l'écrit? Which is the national anthem of France? Who wrote it? La Marseillaise est le hymne national de la France, écrit par Monsieur Rouget de Lille. Okay? It's written over here. Then, cocher la bonne réponse. Cross the right answer. Here I have just underlined it instead of crossing, and you just write it in the blank. La dash divise Paris en deux parties. La Seine, so which will be Garonne, Seine or Loire? Answer will be La Seine. Okay, so write Seine over there. Then, on peut utiliser le dash pour le voyager. What we use for the traveling? One can use the dash for the traveling. We can't use this. We use TGV. Okay, train à grande vitesse. It's a train in France. Dash est un fromage français. So this is a cosmetic brand. This is Indian brand Amul. So the answer is Le Camembert. On dash la Bastille a été prise. In which year it was taken over? 1789. 1789. La dash est le plus haut sommet de la France. So what we write? Which is the highest peak in the France? It's which one is? It's in India. This is mountain range and Mont Blanc, Le Mont Blanc. So this is the highest peak. Okay, so Le Mont Blanc will come. I hope the text is clear to you and the question answers. Just write if you're having the book, just write the translation of the text in your book and the question answer and all these answers. Okay, that's all for today. Merci.